Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I've been invited as a friend to visit Chapter 57's Mart. So here I am today, and I want to show you around a few things.
You know what this is going to...
All right. Here we have Justin.
275.
Justin is
Chapter secretary.
Chapter secretary.
Yep. Getting everything ready.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Here we have Mike and Guy. Guy's retired Air Force.
Yep.
Spent time in Vietnam.
3 or 4 times. I've been 21 years in the middle of Vietnam.
Well, thank you, sir, for your service.
Well, they taught me how to work on clocks and a few other things.
Taught you how to work on clocks. And here we have a New Haven open escapement figure clock. And this one over here is an Antonio with the figures.
French. It's a French interpretation.
It's a French interpretation, but the movement is an Antonio.
Oh, it's an Ansonia. It's an American-made clock with a French interpretation.
Got ya.
But now the side pieces are French.
Got ya. Both beautiful clocks. And we're just getting started, but we're the early people here.
You sat down. Get back up.
Go take care of business first.
Yep.
Yeah, we're doing
Everyone here is
That
present.
yours.
Okay, so the secretaries were going out with the email. Hopefully everybody got that. Does anybody have any?
Preview of show and tell.
There are some.
Jack's clock here that he got in Mesquite, Texas.
Let me put this on it. They already want me to.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Now who makes this?
Oh, wait a minute. Well, the different, Welsh made one up. But I don't think this is Welsh. There's different. But this, there's a story about these things in the Welsh book. And you'll just kind of have to read it.
The key is on the base of this clock. Is as big as diameter as the base of this clock, and it has pegs that come off the winding key, arbor, whatever you want to call it. I've never seen one in person.
They're pretty rare. What'd you say?
The shy person over here, David. David's going to show me how to solder later.
We'll see.
Yeah, I used to have a little bit of a lot of it. I ended up selling it. Yeah, mine were between that 15 and 20 pounds. I never did weigh it, but you could tell they were between 15 and 20 pounds. Pretty hard to hit.
Steve Lingfelter, Seth Lingfelter's dad, who makes, Seth is a guy that makes these shirts that I'm supporting, and that Ron is supporting, and that Steve is supporting. But Steve brought this little, I don't believe it's considered a granddaughter clock. It might be considered a granddaughter clock. I guess it is. Granddaughter clocks are between 3 and 5 feet tall.
It comes in a mahogany. You can get them. You can buy them anyway. This right here is practically in that. All you do, if you're going to alarm clock in your bed, is this.
So Steve,
Plates used to have, people had.
who made your granddaughter clock?
Rounded. Actually, I call
Yeah,
them.
they usually had like a porcelain
I'm
knob,
giving
and
those
they
to
had
my
like a little balls of
grandsons.
grass around them.
So I call them.
Oh, okay.
I built the case. I'm building the case.
All right, that's one that your son did a YouTube video on.
He actually, I think he did it on the one that is in the picture frame.
Got ya.
This one I'm building for his son.
Got ya.
Oliver. Yeah, that's for Seth's son. But I've got a lot of work to do yet on it.
And there you go, supporting Seth's shirts. Y'all need to get on Seth's Redbubble webpage and get a clock shirt designed of one of your favorite clocks.
Different sizes. You can get machine screws and you can get the wood screws. So depending on which one you need. Like I said, I'm gonna.
My kid look really good in a t-shirt designed by Seth Lingfelter, showing off your favorite clock. You know, he'll design you a shirt. This is my clock that he designed this shirt for me. Mine says not for sale. It's my children's inheritance. My children's shirts say not for sale. It's my inheritance. It's just a way of showing your passion off, showing it to other people.
Good idea. Yeah, we went out for the 75th anniversary celebration.
It's gonna be on eBay, George.
YouTube. You're gonna get famous. 1,035 people are gonna be looking at this so far.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's how many subscribers I got so far.
I had a mission clock that I had on my wall. Well, I went to wind it. Well, I guess
It runs pretty good, really. I mean, it's gotta be level. I mean, level. That thing was so dirty when I got it that you couldn't even see the movement. And the patent dates on it is 1855. It's on the movement.
What kind of clock is that? What brand?
It's called a Briggs Rotary.
Is that a genuine Briggs rotary
As far as I
or
know.
a Japanese reproduction?
No. It's got the 12 spoke. In the Welsh book, it shows these in the Welsh, big Welsh catalog. And this one has got the 12 spoke winder. And according to that, this is the early one. Because later ones was like 6 spoke and the reproductions like 4 spoke. Well, they made so many of them. And,
Can I see the winder?
sure.
I don't want you to
You ain't gonna buy it.
show my viewing audience. That is so cool.
It's got a big old winding key. Justin, you've seen these before, haven't you?
Yeah. Yep.
See, look at that winding key. This is the 12 spoker.
Oh, okay.
So according to what the Welsh and the Bush book, the 12 spoker is the, the older one.
Don't you have a bunch of those out in the warehouse there, Dustin?
Yeah. Got 3, I'll sell you right now.
I'm going to leave y'all, but thank you for putting up with me for everything. I think I was in the hospital more than I was here.
You did a great job.
No, I didn't do a great job.
For everything you've been through, you did a great job.
And you know why the auction went so well last time, don't you? Because we wanted.
And
I
this,
wasn't here.
We wanted,
We want to make sure we put on a good show.
we wanted to have some good news to report to you to cheer you up.
Well, you did, I cheered you.
this one is a time, strike, and alarm clock both and something. It's the kind, you've got three little things here, you can take it in. It's just an alarm clock or it's mahogany case.
And that one is,
Be careful.
And this was a whole lot of fun to make. The click spring was broken and it's brand. I said, how in the world am I gonna do that? So I found me an old solid wheel, brass wheel. Drill me two little, the little taper pins. Drill my holes in that where it would stay still, except where it's broke over here. And, then I cut this out where I have a hole to start. And Dremel 2 went to work on the rest of it. It took hours.
And that goes in the alarm clock?
It's in this one.
Oh, it goes in there?
In other words, till I was done that, well, you couldn't wind it. It was just
Got you.
trying to wind it.
Got you.
What? What am I doing? Oh, bump that.
You about knocked over a puppy dog.
Did it scare
Is
you?
that an NAWCC member?
Yeah. Full pledge.
there you go, Jackie. But scooting back to the wizard, you
Oh.
wouldn't bump into him. Did anyone else bring anything for show and tell? Katie, were you want to talk about your clock you brought for show and tell? Or then we'll knock him over or something, that'd be bad.
I put a price tag on it.
You brought it to sell. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, nobody wants it.
If it had all the indications on it. I'll go over here. I brought it.
Well, now, this is just something.
I brought this little clock over here for show and tell. And this is the third one I've built the case on. And I made this one with a removable hood. And for the movement, I had one of those mission wall clocks. And the case was pretty much toast. So I repurposed that movement into this case. And so it's running. But I've got to do the dial surround and a lot of little finishing touches on it. And I've got to add some hood columns to it and finish it up. But this is for my grandson, Oliver. And it's the third one I did. This picture is the first one I did for my oldest grandson. That's what they look like. That's what that one looked like finished. And all three of them are different. That was the first one I did.
Steve, this one you made?
Yeah.
Should I get the notes?
Yeah, I was showing them. I think it has it was a mission style wall clock. The case was toast. So
How tall is that, Steve?
I cleaned it and repurposed it. It's about 44 inches tall. And on this one I made the hood removable. I still got to install the hood columns and stuff like that.
Would you consider that a granddaughter's clock? Or a grandchild's clock?
Size-wise, yeah.
A granddaughter clock is 3 to 5 feet, but he calls his grandson clock because he made it for his grandson.
Yeah, I just unofficially call it a grandson clock.
No, I totally understand that.
But officially, yeah, it would be a granddaughter clock because it's about 44 inches tall.
Right.
And that was it. I don't know if anybody else has.
Anybody else got any more show and
Not
tell?
like that, huh?
Any more show and tell? Anybody?
You got show and tell?
Can I step in?
Step in.
Here, what? Record this. Record what? Me.
I think that's it.
What you looking at? I mean,
Oh, you got a show and tell? Yeah.
Yeah, me. Yeah. Put a titanium rod in there.
Hey.
Hey everybody, for those who haven't met me, my name is Mark. I'm a friend with Ron Rosencrantz and Steve and David. I'm the admin for 2 different groups on Facebook. I appreciate if y'all subscribe to those groups or join up. I insist that you answer the questions when you join up. You can get with Justin, Ron, Steve, or David, and I'm going to tell you the groups. The group I created, and Tom. The group I created is called Collections, Antique and Vintage of all sorts, but mainly wind-up clocks. And then I took over a group for a friend of mine on his deathbed. It's called Cuckoo Clocks and All Things Black Forest UK. That's strictly for cuckoo clocks and all things Black Forest UK. But my group, I don't care whether you got a motorcycle to show off or a car or whatever.
All my cooker clocks, well, this one. Come on, my eyeball. I got oil in them. There's
Wow.
other Dutch clocks.
Wow. We're here at one of the chapter members
Here's England Queen clock, 1870.
and group members' house, and he has a bunch of clocks. Can you turn on the light here?
I won't do it. You can get up close. Go ahead and get close. Here's my curfew clock. There's my French regulator.
I'm jealous. Because all your clocks are ticking away.
All around.
That's a beast. I like that.
That's a judge's.
And Mark's been too lazy to get all his clocks going because he just hasn't felt like it.
Also, the one you brought me is different.
And you notice people, the times, unlike some people I know, like myself, these clocks are set to go off about the same time frame. I bet you have to time your conversations around your clocks in this house.
Definitely. And
Sharon's got the Zenith. Remember the Zenith?
Right?
There's your old, we made a church clock out here. There's her out clock, and there's her cuckoo clocks. There's your Heckle.
Right. I remember working on that one.
There's my other Dutch clocks.
Or maybe I didn't work on it, but maybe I helped Ron work on it through video chat.
That's it in here.
you got one day Dutch clock or two.
No, that's 8 days.
Is it?
The,
I bought the first one.
that's a Lux.
No. That's a modern day battery operated.
That's a modern day battery
That's,
operated clock. We'll delete that from the video.
Motorola. It's Motorola. Motorola made that.
You know, I'm not finding the receiver. My electricity went off for
Going
like
in the kitchen.
15 seconds, and now my receiver can work.
Sherry, you're gonna kick my butt when I come in the car. And we got,
You're gonna have to.
I got you another red clock for your kitchen.
Oh no.
There's my New Haven, there's only,
No,
there's
no,
a
no.
Waterbury, there's a Waterbury.
Trust me, I'd be more happy
You don't have to.
Love it. Love it.
Yeah.
You got a terrific
There's
display
one behind you, too.
of time.
I'll be up here in all of the hour.
with it. Up here,
There's one over beside the refrigerator.
over
too.
there, here.
That's a Waterbury.
Wait a second here. Is it 4 o'clock already? Because this
Yes,
clock
sir.
here is showing 4
I
o'clock.
bumped the table probably.
Oh,
Did you bump it, Sharon?
I probably bumped it because I was cleaning.
3:57.
They're all within a minute too of each other.
Well, it does say
I got
4
the
o'clock.
skeleton
It is 4
clocks.
o'clock.
Yeah, I saw that.
I gave $45 for that.
You got a good buy.
Yeah. Bought that up at the Carthage Originals.
Now show me the living area.
This is the living area.
Which one is your oldest cuckoo clock? Do you know?
In the bedroom.
In the bedroom?
Over in the bedroom.
These are all brand new clocks from here. Oh, here's my variable eye. These all came from Germany. I ordered them from Germany.
Right.
And I found this in Springfield, brand new, never out of the box. I told Ron, go get it.
You know what you don't have? A clock made in the United States by Jody Davis, I believe her name is.
Yeah.
She designs and builds cuckoo clocks. She used to,
Mermaid clock.
I love that mermaid clock. She used to make Afghans, and she had a web page on Afghans, but now she makes cuckoo clocks. Designs them herself.
Of course, I replaced all the weights with wood weights.
Yeah, Ron was telling me that you
These came with wood weights,
right.
so I replaced them.
He wanted them all to match.
Now I like the wood weights. Now, tell me about these wood weights, because I've never touched a wood weight before. Do they have the lead inside of them, or is it the clock? Is it the weight itself, and this part unscrews, and then they put the weight inside, or?
Yeah,
Yeah, they got the
they're
lead
lead filling.
inside.
They're got lead filling, then these, I don't know if they're screwed, but they're tight.
Yeah.
Cool.
Look at that 8-day Fox and Gray.
Dark house, I'm
Need
sorry.
to turn the light on?
That better?
I could open the door if you don't mind.
Yeah, well, I had it, I had shut it earlier, or David shut it.
Y'all go to bed, that's where I sleep all the time.
That's why I tell people, you know,
That's a Waterbury.
you get used to the
Waterbury.
you get used to the chimes, because people ask me, how do you sleep with 40-some clocks in
I
your
lived next
bedroom?
door to a train tracks for over 40 years, 50
Right.
years of my life.
Right?
But here, I like this.
I do too.
Love it. Does that have the 72 in it? The regular 72?
I bet it does.
It's got that.
Yeah, regular
big
72
flywheel
in it.
on
Yeah.
top.
Yep, it is, model 72.
But that used, when the music box used to play, remember it had that click, click,
Yeah.
click, click. It's got a metal gear in it. All I did is oil the long shaft.
Right.
And the box turns on, I oiled them and it stopped.
That's awesome.
It just stopped at once.
Now, you showed me your oldest cuckoo clock. I know you've already been in there, but
Come down here, you
I want you to tell me all about it.
Front door fell off of the top. That's the oldest one I got right there. And that one there's the next, of course. This was in the early 1900s.
Love it.
And that's an old one I bought for Ron.
Right.
That's the oldest cookie clocks I got.
The wind,
Love it.
the shats, you don't see a lot of those.
No. The hunter shats, a lot of people don't like the shats because the cuckoo bounces in and out of the door. That's the way they were designed. But the hunter's shats sells for more than all the other shots. And I love the French clocks.
I gave $175 for that shaft.
Well, thank you, David, for allowing me to show off your collection and let you brag about it, because that's what my group's all about.
Well, I just call this the museum house.
Yeah.
Now it's time for you to get out some solder. And here's Seth Thomas well, it's not really an adamantine clock. It's a 4-column clock with the bigger columns on the side. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I want that. He said that.
Redwood.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. It looks more like